In the year 2021, that's when I first heard about Forex trading. And this was immediately after the COVID-19, which came over even up to 2020. So in the year 2021, things had started resuming back slowly by slowly. As you can remember in my previous videos, I had given you my story of how I had been scammed in two pyramid schemes. Now, fast forward in the year 2021, I heard from someone about Forex trading, and this person was saying that they usually make money from this Forex trading. And even when I looked at their lifestyle, anyway, it was good. So I was curious about it, and as usual, I went online. I started researching about it. I did my research, what it is, how it works, what is involved, what is bought and sold. I did a lot of research for like 3 months. Then I had a clear view, a clear picture of what it is. After that, I researched about people who are in it, who are trading, who are famous, who have been there for long, and I met many people. I found a lot of people, both in my country and even worldwide. There are many, I won't mention. And so I was inspired by their stories, honestly speaking. I was inspired by the way they were saying, the way they were making it to look good, and that really made me to get interested. I started writing notes, the basics. I wrote notes, I made notes. I remember I made a lot of notes, physical writing with a pen. I wrote notes. I learned. After learning, I installed the softwares which I required for trading in my laptop, and I even opened a demo account. So this time I was very much eager to put into practice what I'm learning. So with a demo account is where you're trading not your real money but virtual money, which is there but you cannot withdraw. So I started practicing the different strategies which I was learning from different people. I started practicing, and honestly speaking, I was understanding. And to be honest, I had understood quite a number of strategies. And I learned from one mentor that you don't have to trade with all the strategies. You only need at least one strategy. Use it for some time, then you build on it, you learn on it, and that is what I did. So I picked one, and I was really doing well. I was understanding the charts, how to analyze, how to place a trade, how to exit. Honestly speaking, it wasn't hard for me. I was really understanding, and this even pushed me now fast forward in 2022 to start doing even live trading now, where I opened an account with a certain trading company. I put my money there, and I even started trading live. And now here is where things started going south for me, because a demo account is very different from a live trading. Remember, in a demo, you're trading with money that is virtual, money that even if you lose, you don't feel the pain. It's money for the company. Here on live, you're trading with your own money. Then in the demo, you're given exaggerated figures, but here in live, you find that your real money, when you compare the two amounts, the money is not that much, because in the demo, the amount they are giving you, the stake, it's too much. It's exaggerated. Of course, I started trading, following my strategies, and to be honest, I did make some profit, but it reached a time also, there are also some times where I started losing. And to be honest, I'm totally honest, the losing part started affecting me mentally and emotionally. Yes, I would spend sleepless nights when I lose a trade. I would think and think and think. I would sometimes even be depressed because of because of losing a trade. And you know what? I had opened a YouTube channel, let me pin it there, where I had started to train people how to trade and what I had learned. I had started from the basics, the definition, all the way. And I remember I had made quite a number of videos, almost 30 something, because it was something that I was enjoying. People were approaching me even physically to train them and to teach them. But the channel is no longer there. I deleted it. Why? It reached a point where this forex thing, it was draining me emotionally and mentally. And to me, my mental health, my emotional health comes first. It's something that I'm really keen on. And so I was like, no, I don't want to do something that is keeping on draining me emotionally and draining me mentally. I was like, I'm not able to really cope with these losses. And that is why in forex trading, there usually something known as psychology, where you must learn how to deal with your emotions. Don't be overexcited and don't be depressed or stressed because of a trade. And to add on that, there is a lady in my country who has been in forex for very many years. I had even bought, I think, 3 courses from her, books from her. I learned them and I had even started practicing them. And honestly speaking, even up to today, up to right now, if you give me a desktop with the forex chart, I can still analyze it for you. I know how to read the candlesticks, I know how to read the direction, how to place a trade, to exit, stop losses, all those things. But kindly, this is my reason why I quit: emotional and mental health. Because for me, I expected to always have wins and wins and wins. Also, another thing, when I have a trade and maybe I'm not around that trade, I would be restless. I don't know why. So most of the times I was always emotionally not prepared for that. So this is what I learned from forex. This is what I learned from those 2 years. Not even 2 years, I think it was 2 years and even some months, because I learned in 2021, 2022 I was in it, 2023 partially, then I just quit. This is what I learned. For you to do FX, you must be prepared emotionally and mentally. Take a course on psychology to prepare yourself. Psychology matters most. Another thing, it's not gambling. Take it like a business, because I know there are people who are still doing it and they have been doing it. Another thing, find a mentor. Don't pick many mentors. Pick one, learn from them. If they have courses, you can buy them, follow them, and follow their strategies. Because different mentors have different strategies. So when you use different ones, you'll get confused. Follow one, be consistent with them, and learn from them. Another thing, it's not a get rich quick scheme as most people think. Out here, there are many people who portray it to be like a get rich quick scheme or like gambling. No, it's not. If you approach it with a gambling mentality, it won't take you well. Approach it well. So this is so my reasons for quitting. I didn't quit because it doesn't work or it's not real. It's real, but for me, reached the point I didn't want anything that is draining me mentally or emotionally in my life, and I couldn't just cope with it. I couldn't. I deleted the channel, and honestly speaking, I am never ever going back to it again. Never. Because I don't want to be drained emotionally. So this is my point. Do what you are enjoying. Do something that is something that you're enjoying. I do make low content books and ebooks and sell them. Does it have its challenges? Yes. Is it draining? Yes. But I'm able to handle every challenge that comes with it. I'm able to handle every challenge that comes with that. It's something that I love. It's something that I enjoy. So let me know on your thoughts. What do you think about Forex? Have you ever even tried? Do you know of anyone who has been in it and is making money, or are you in it and you're making money in it? So let me know in the comment section. So I will be pinning my some of my lessons which I had posted on that channel. I had followers, a few followers, and even right now today there are still people who still approach me to teach them forex, but I do tell them thank you for approaching me, but I no longer do it. I cannot go back to where I came from, and that is my own personal story. Let me hear from you.